Hi, my name is Maria and I'm a co-founder at Trivera.com. In this video, I'll show you how we empower connectivity in marketplaces, communities, and apps. The Trivera Platform as a Service, or as we like to call it, the Trivera Platform Factory, allows you to use various connectivity modules with absolutely no code. No matter if you are just extending your marketplace with appointment scheduling and video calls, prototyping a SaaS product for your community, or simply adding a subscription system to your existing product, you can do so with Trivera. So let me start by showing you an example platform that we've created. This is the Trivera SaaS, a communication and collaboration software for teams. We built it using the Trivera Platform Factory. There's a scheduling module that allows you to synchronize your calendars, a booking module where you can create a booking page and people can use it to book online meetings with you. Using our payment module, we have enabled these meetings to also be paid. There's also a video conferencing module. You can use just the video conferencing itself or link it with the bookings module to make sure you can schedule video calls and never lose the link to them. How about marketplace functionalities? Well, we also have a marketplace module, which helps users list their services and get discovered. These were some of the modules we offer. How does this help other businesses? That's where it gets super exciting. Imagine you want a similar platform to this. However, you only need some parts of it. For example, appointment scheduling and video conferencing. This is exactly what Agency Go wanted from us some time ago, and so we built it. They also opted for a subscription management system through which they can charge their clients. Finally, we topped this off by giving them real-time analytics of all the usage on their platform. Note that everything is branded exactly as Agency Go, and there is not a single mention of Trivera anywhere. Right now, we've placed a clone of this platform on app.meet.trivera.pl, where you can start a free trial and see it in action. Finally, I want to show you another use case, Twiz.io. Twiz already had a marketplace where businesses would hire agencies for their marketing purposes. Twiz also had a great logged-in area. However, they wanted to provide even more value to their users. Now, they not only match businesses and agencies, but also schedule the meetings between them. How they do it? Thanks to their integration with Trivera. We provided Twiz with appointment scheduling, video conferencing, access to our API so that they can build their own workflows, and a magic link. This magic link authenticates Twiz users around each module, ensuring that they have a smooth experience and never feel like they have left the Twiz logged-in area. We plan to continue empowering connectivity and automate every part of the platform building process so that you can simply sign up and build the platform you want. In no time, 100% no code for a fraction of the cost. Thank you for watching this quick demo, and please do reach out if you'd like to know more.